Tell Daddy.
You gotta load that stuff on the back of the truck.
What's Daddy saying, man? Tell Daddy.
Alright.
Tell him,
Alright,
man.
be careful. Alright.
What's he saying? You feel better now? You're not crying anymore.
Yeah, poor little guy.
See, we're gonna take a bath now. He's get ready for the camera. You take a bath?
Hey, load that man.
Tell him. Tell him, man. Tell him bye-bye. Tell him you love him.
Bye, my buddy. I love you.
Alright, we're gonna take a bath now.
My little man.
Yeah.